Alright, so this is APX2 Silox, an EDC canister that me and a lot of other people in the EDC community use to store small items and carry them on their keychain. For example, over here I have my APX2 Silox carrying some toothpicks, always on the go, stays on my keychain. I have other things that I have over here. For example, this one is carrying a prick that comes with it, useful for many situations. And sometimes I also use my Silox to carry additional ink cartridges for my fountain pen because you don't want them to be running out of ink, especially when you're traveling. And last but not the least, because Silox is waterproof, some people also like to carry some pills, their medicine, vitamin, and in my case some breath mints, because why not? And it always stays in your keychain, making it Silox a really versatile tool. But there is so much more that you can do with it, and in this video I want to showcase you how you can mod your existing APX2 Silox to add a small box cutter or a utility knife blade. Coming up in this video, let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan. On this channel, I'll help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures. And talking about right tools, the best thing about having the right tools in your arsenal is that you can customize it. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showcasing you in this DIY tutorial on how you can take these APX2 Silox and add a permanent box cutter / hobby knife to it. So you can carry it wherever you want. You can use it to open boxes. You can use it for hobby purposes because this is a really good quality hobby grade box cutter / knife. And not just that, because you are saving a lot of space, then you can also use Silox to store some other things. For example, my sim ejector tools and some extra watch strap holders. And doing this mod is relatively straightforward. You just need three things. Number one, you need an empty Silox or any other EDC canister. Just make sure that you have the right size, because not all blades are made equally and they have different sizes. Then you need a pack of these hobby blades. These are very commonly available. I think you can find them online. I'm gonna also put a link in the description so you can find the right one that fits in Silox. But if you have other EDC canister, then make sure you pick the right one. Sometimes they're also called X-Acto knife blades. Sometimes they're called surgical blades. Sometimes they're called hobby knife blade. So all these keywords you can use to look it up. And last but not the least, you need a hot silicon glue gun, which you can find anywhere on Amazon, on Zepton, Blinkit, and all kind of things. So let me take you to the overhead camera and show you how you can do this simple mod. And using the same principles, you can add other things. For example, some screwdriver bits, maybe some other things. I don't know, whatever you want to prefer. So first of all, let's take an empty bottle of Silox. So as you can see, this one is the black Silox and nothing is there inside. So you need to make sure that it is completely empty. And what we want to do, we want to add this hobby X-Acto blade knife, and I want to add it to the cap, because whenever I want to open the cap, I can also use the cap as a handle and use it as a box cutter, as a hobby knife. I also make aero model airplanes, and that's where we use this knife a lot, this blade a lot, so that way I can also use it as a handle. And first of all, if you have any other canister, then make sure that it fits properly. So the size of this one is exactly the size of the cap, so it fits well. I'm also going to link it in the description, so if you have Silox, you can pick this one up. But yeah, that's exactly what we need to do over here. Now for the next step, make sure your hot glue gun is ready, and it's pretty hot, because you don't want it to be cold, and that will not give you the great result. So mine is pretty hot here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fill the cap with the hot glue gun, with the hot glue. Make sure you don't burn yourself, because this can be quite hot. So I'm just gonna fill it to the brim, and we're gonna remove the excess at the later on. But once it is filled, now you want to insert this blade carefully onto this one, and make sure you create a mold in between, and then you let it rest for a few minutes, and that's when it cool down, and the blade will take the shape, the hot glue gun will take its shape, and then it's gonna be permanently fixed to this one. So let's gonna keep it over here for a couple of minutes. Alright, so after a few minutes, it should be running ready to go. Let's give it a quick wiggle, and I can see that it is perfectly well attached to it. Now what you can do is you can test, and you can make sure that it's fully closing. There is no sort of wiggle whatsoever. So yeah, that is there. And yeah, that's how you add a small blade to it, the hobby knife. And as I mentioned, you can add different things to it. For example, Silox already come with a brick. You can permanently attach it using this method. You can attach a screw bit for Phillips head, for flathead, whatever you want. But yeah, let's quickly test it out. So let's test it out as a box opener. And over here, because this knife is really sharp, I need to be a little bit careful, but I can use this as a handle, so I can open some boxes with it, as you can see. And I can also cut through the cardboard very easily. So yeah, it's a great tool for hobby purposes, for box opening. And as I mentioned, I'm also doing remodeling, so it's definitely gonna come in handy when I'm making my airplane. So let me know what you think about this quick mod. And if you don't have Silox, then you can definitely pick a pair for yourself from APX Tool. That is my shop. But yeah, that is a quick video. I want to showcase you how you can mod Silox to add different things. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you're interested to learn more such EDC mod, for example, adding Ranger Eye patches to your Kinex or any other wallet, then check out this video. And check out this video where I showcase great underrated EDC gadget under 1000 rupees. Thank you for staying till the very end, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.